a little, comes with a lot of different names. I call it a doodle bug or a roly-poly. It rolls, pill bug. And then it'll crawl around. You see his little antenna. But if you scare him, a lot of times to protect himself, he rolls up on a little ball. Oh. Almost off of there.